Hey guys, it's Theda here with George's. We actually have very exciting news for you today on this amazing day on the Eastern Shore in Maryland. Actually, couldn't think of a better day than to make this very special announcement here. As some of you may have already seen on our social media, we have this brand new mix that we're releasing today. We have a few things to talk about regarding this. George's strawberry margarita, as a bee flies right by my face. Strawberry Margarita-Daiquiri mix, you guys. Perfect day to talk about this, right? Margaritas, daiquiris. So let's get to it. You might first notice, you guys, even bigger news, or just as big news, I should say. We got a new look, right? So this is our new look. You can see the bartender made. We have a little story here right on front of the label here. I think you guys will really enjoy it, and you'll be seeing all these labels kind of making their way out and about with our margarita, the Bloody Mary mixes, the sweet and sour. We couldn't be more excited about it. I think you guys will really like it. It's really a cool look and craft and tells the story right there. But regarding this guy right here, Strawberry Margarita-Daiquiri. So this is fantastic, of course, with your margarita, with your tequila. It's fantastic for your daiquiri, so your very favorite rum. Perfect for both. Super versatile. It is amazing on the rocks. Even on its own, it's amazing on the rocks. It is not your typical strawberry margarita daiquiri mix. It's very fresh. It's very light. Terrific on the rocks on its own. It is obviously even more special with your favorite cocktail, your favorite spirit, I should say. Amazing, but we get the sweetness here comes from fresh fruit. It comes from agave nectar. It comes from pure cane sugar. So you have all these amazing flavors coming together. You have, of course, your fresh strawberry puree. You have your fresh lime. You have your fresh orange. What this does is it creates an amazing balance. You get fantastic balance, so it's not so sweet. You have a good citrusy, wonderful balance that just makes it just delicious, and that's what actually makes it pretty good on its own. But we think you guys will really be happy with it. It's also all natural premium ingredients, gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, none of that crap, nice and fresh. Oh yeah, and we also have some recipes here on the side if you want to zoom in on that, Al. Yeah, we have it on the rocks, we have frozen, fantastic, as I mentioned before, both ways. A lot of fruit in here, so it stands up great if you're going to do a frozen application with it. It's pretty darn good. What do you think, Clyde?
You like
pretty
that, Clyde?
Good? He's hot.
Margarita?
Yeah, we're so excited about it, and we're so excited to hear what you think about it. Get out there and get it. It's starting to filter out there now into all your favorite liquor stores, hopefully soon the grocery stores. If you don't see it, ask for it. I think you guys will be really happy with it. But, stay tuned for recipes, because, of course, we'll be posting a few recipes to share with y'all to enjoy. Anyway, cheers. Enjoy the beautiful day, everybody, and we will see you soon.
Cheers, everybody.